My name is Shreya Jha.
My name is Niyati Salkar.
We are the students of St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School, Mapsa, and we study in 11th Science B.
Ms. Shreya Jha has been contributed in preparing the slides and also finding the pictures.
Ms. Niyati Salkar has found all the information regarding these slides to explain these slides better to all of you. We both members have contributed equally in our project. So, our project is a reverse car parking alert system.
We all humans want to make our lives easier and better, and for that we come up with many new ideas. Similarly, our project is also one to make our lives easier and better in towns and villages and to make them hybrid and smart ones.
So, Niyati, what is the most common problem we face in cities, villages, everywhere? Isn't it parking?
Yes, it's parking, right one. Now, parking a car in a congested area or in a small parking slot is a tedious job for us, right?
Yes.
And that too, the main thing is that we need to be careful while parking a car so that we do not damage the other car or other surrounding objects.
So, our system will help you solve this problem. So, when the car is closer to the obstacle, our system will make a beeping sound, and that too, the beeping sound will keep on increasing as the car is coming closer to the obstacle.
So Ms. Shreya Jha will tell us how the system is designed.
Yes. So, this is the Arduino Nano. This will act as the brain of our project. This is the ultrasonic module. This will sense whether the car is closer to the obstacle or it's further away, and then it will send the information to the Arduino Nano. This is the buzzer module. This will make the beeping sound.
Shreya, can you tell us how these parts are connected?
Yes. So to connect all these parts, we require 3 connecting wires. The first wire will connect the Arduino Nano to the ultrasonic module. The second part will connect the Arduino Nano to the buzzer module. And the third part will connect the ultrasonic module to the buzzer module. So as we can see in this slide, the first wire is being connected to the ultrasonic sensor. This slide shows us that the second wire is being connected to the buzzer module. Then we require a buzzer IO-D8 wire which will connect the Arduino Nano to the buzzer module. Then we require a pair of Echo D11 and Trick D12 wire. The first wire will be connected to the Arduino Nano and the ultrasonic sensor. The second wire will be connected to the Arduino Nano to the buzzer module. Then we require an alternating wire which will connect a whole system to the battery. So this is the final circuit. So if you did not understand the connections which I have told you, then you can have a look at this circuit. This circuit is self-explanatory. So we have to give instruction to any system or any machine to work, right? So similarly, we are going to upload the Arduino code to the Arduino Nano. This code is going to give instruction to our system as to when to increase its beeping sound and to when to keep it moderate. So this is the whole system of reverse parking alert system. So here we have attached our system to the bumper of the car. So here, as you can see, the obstacle is over here and the car is over here. So when the car will reach over here, the sound will be increased.
Shreya, I am really very curious to know what the sound is. Aren't you all too?
Yes, so you all want to hear the sound, right, as to how it will increase and how it will decrease. So let's hear it. So did you all hear that the sound went on increasing?
Yes, it's amazing. I feel that when the distance decreases between the optical and the car, the sound, beeping sound also increases.
Yes, so this is the key feature of our system. So my partner Ms. Nidhi Salkar will explain to you the key features of our system and will also tell you some applications of it.
The key feature of our project is the beeping sound of the alert system, which increases gradually as the distance decreases. Now this system will also help the driver to assist it to park the car properly without causing damage to other cars. It will also assist it to what directions and to what distance he or she has to stop the car. Now the applications of the system is not just only in a car, but it can be also used in helicopters, UAVs, that is the unarmed aerial vehicles, and also in helicopters, buses, trains, and many more things. It can be used in human detection, it can be also used in vehicles, automobiles, it can be also used in proximity detection and many other areas.
So isn't our project just so useful? Like it has so many applications, right?
Yes, it's very amazing.
So in near future, if we get selected in top 100, we'll make an effort to make this system in real life and we'll also show you the demo, right?
We will try it on our car too.
Yes, and we'll show you. So we hope you liked our project and our idea.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.